Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox when it says low memory. First, close all unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up valuable system resources. Next, restart your computer to clear any temporary memory issues. Finally, ensure your internet connection is stable, as a poor connection can sometimes contribute to performance problems, even if not directly memory-related. These initial steps are quick and often resolve many common issues. Once you've addressed background processes, dive into Roblox's in-game settings. Lowering the graphics quality significantly reduces the strain on your system's memory. Additionally, decrease the render distance, which limits how much of the game world your computer needs to load at any given moment. Disabling unnecessary visual effects, such as shadows or complex particles, can also free up crucial memory, improving overall game performance and stability. If in-game adjustments aren't enough, consider system-level changes. Increasing your virtual memory or paging file size provides your computer with more temporary storage, acting as an extension of your physical RAM. Next, ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers can cause performance bottlenecks. Finally, run a disk cleanup to remove old, unnecessary files that might be consuming system resources, contributing to low memory warnings. For persistent issues, consider advanced troubleshooting. Perform a thorough scan for malware or viruses, as these can secretly consume vast amounts of system resources. If problems continue, upgrading your physical RAM might be necessary, especially if you have less than 8 GB. Lastly, always keep your operating system updated. These updates often include critical performance improvements and bug fixes that can prevent low memory errors in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.